Hey, if your feet looks like this, your heels like this, all like this video is for you because I want us to do a foot care. I want to show you a home remedy on how you can be able to prevent cracking of the heels or drying up of the heels or build up of the dead skin allowed your heels. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share. Actually, I'm so grateful for the subscribers, people who always engage with my content. So welcome back, and now let's start. So first thing first is soaking of our feet. So in this kind of a soak, it is very funny because I used a body wash, then I added baking soda ash, and then I added hibiscus powder, and at the late which it changed. No, the color, I expected the color to be red or maroonish or like that, but it turned out to be purple, and dark purple for that case. But we move, and the water was feeling so good while I soaked. When I immersed my feet inside that water, it just felt so good, so good, so magical. Now, why are we soaking our feet? To soften the dead skin, and just to make that dead skin around the heel to be very easy to get rid of. So I'm going to use my file to remove the dead skin. You can use a pumice stone, or anything that you can use to scrub the dead skin of the heels, because the reason why your feet are cracking is because of the buildup of the dead skin. Others, it is a medical condition, I think. Yeah, but most of the cases that we have, it's because of the buildup of the dead skin. So yeah, so stay tuned as I remove my dead skin. Yeah, so if you are struggling with this the clacking and the dryness of your heel, this video is for me. Stay with me towards the end. So ensure that you remove the dead skin everywhere at the heel, at this upper part of the feet and all that. For how many times should you do this? If you can be able to pass pumice stone around your feet as you take a shower every day, the better, because I think it's like dead skin builds up every day. So I don't know, it's upon you to decide what you want with your feet. If you want them softer, the more you do it. If you want them drier, the less you do it. So it's upon you to decide what you want with yourself and with your feet. So yeah. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, engage in the comment section. Let me know how do you prevent buildup of dead skin in your feet. And this, I wanted to give you a clear picture of what is going on, and it was a little struggle, but at least I managed, and yeah, I tried. I held not so much of the dead skin, but not so little. Yeah, so I'm trying. So those people you see with very soft, baby soft feet, it's because they are doing the work. So you can also do the work. Then after that, I just cleared off the dirt by immersing my legs inside the feet, and now I'm using my DIY made scrub to scrub off the feet. So that DIY scrub, it has hibiscus, it has honey, it has olive oil, it has salt, it also has baking soda ash. What else? I think I should do a video, different video on the same. So yeah, so I'm going to scrub off even the upper part of the feet just to remove the dead skin, even the upper part. Don't worry about the reddish thing, it's because of the hibiscus, which is so good for the skin. So don't worry about that. So now again, it's still a way of getting rid of the dead skin on the upper part. Yeah, so guys, if you have come this far, I know you love this video. I know you love this kind of self-care, so please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, engage with my content. Let me know which kind of body scrub do you use to remove dead skin on your feet, your body, your face. Does it work for you? Would you try these that I'm using? Let me know in the comment section, please. Yeah, and thank you for being here. Then after that, I'm going to rinse off the dirt. I'm still using the soaking water. I haven't changed the water, so I'm just going to use that and just remove the residue, the dirt of the scrub and all that. At this point, the feet are feeling so soft, but I'm not yet done. Stay tuned, baby. We are not yet done because I'm going to use my gloves to just wash off just to ensure that everything is clean, and especially along the nails and all that, just ensuring that everything is clean and perfect and all the dead skin. I've removed all the dead skin. Remember, you're using it's gentle and therefore you're not going to hurt yourself or yeah, yes. So just use your gloves to this club just to ensure that you have done everything good. At this point, it's still okay if you can leave at this point, but if you are extra, please, you can go the extra mile. That's what I'm doing. At the same time, you can decide not to use the body scrub and just use your gloves, and it will still do the work that the body scrub was doing. But remember, the body scrub has ingredients that are good for the skin, which the bathing gloves are not going to give you. So it's good to use a body scrub, but if you are not in a position to have one, you can still use the gloves, anything that can be able to scrub off the dead skin. Then after that, I'm going to use clean water. Now it's still warm water because yeah, it's still warm water to rinse everything off. And at this point, I'm done like doing everything. Now it's time just to moisturize my feet, to dry my feet. But oh, I almost forgot about my nails, so I'm using that soft blush just to clean the nails. The nails aren't that dirty. I've just from doing a nail pedicure, and therefore it's yeah. So then after that, I'm going to dry off. Ensure that you dry even in between your toenails. Your toes, sorry, in between your toes. Just ensure that your feet is super dry. Okay, not super dry. In between the toes, ensure it is super dry. Then the other places of the feet, just ensure that you have removed you leave it damp, and then after that you add the moisturizer. And any moisturizer, Vaseline will do, or any jelly will do, so use the one that you want. So you can also use lanolin if your heels are like really clogged. So yeah, so this is the point that I really love most, because at this point the heels are soft, the feet are soft, and therefore when you're massaging them with the oil, it just feels good, it just feels amazing. So thank you so much for being here. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, yeah, engage with my content. tell your friend, tell your neighbors, tell your mother, tell your grandmother, everybody, inform them about my YouTube channel. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.